Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need an active Microsoft 365 account with Visio Access, once signed in at Office. Open Visio from the app launcher and choose a template to begin. Make sure you set sharing permissions now so others can view or edit. This first step gets the file and collaboration context right. It prevents permission delays later and lets you start placing shapes immediately. Now build the diagram. Drag shapes, use quick connectors, and align with the grid. Once done, link data sources like Excel or SharePoint so shapes reflect live values. This saves manual edits. Make use of containers and layers to keep complex diagrams manageable, and apply the format painter to enforce consistent styling. While you work, collaborators can edit in real time, so coordinate who edits which area to avoid conflicts. To finish, save the diagram to OneDrive or SharePoint and check version history before sharing a final link with precise view or edit rights. Export to PDF or VSDX when you need offline copies. If something goes wrong, like shapes not connecting or collaborators seeing old content, clear your browser cache, try a different browser, and confirm permissions. That combination resolves most issues quickly and restores correct, synchronized editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.